What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So today on the menu I'll be making some fried roasted fish stuffed with callaloo. So if you are interested in the video, keep on watching. So here I have my nicely washed fish. Now after I wash a fish, I want to pat dry it. So to the fish I added some Maggi seasoning. So now guys, I'm gonna add some paprika. Now the paprika gives your fish a nice beautiful color, so you don't want to miss that step. Alright, so I am using snapper fish, but what if you have another fish? Go ahead and use any type of fish you like. Now I'm adding some black pepper, so I'm adding a generous amount of black pepper. Now make sure you clean out inside of your fish, and you know guys, you wanna ensure that your fish is dry. So after adding that, I am going to stuff the fish, but bear in mind that this type of fish, guys, you need enough space inside of the fish to stuff the fish. Alright, so because my fish wasn't that big, so I'm gonna cut my fish differently just to ensure that all of that nice callaloo will be, can easily pack into the fish. Alright, now I'm just ensuring that I season the fish very well, and then I am going to start stuffing the fish. Alright, now if I want to add some salt, I can add some salt or any other season that you like, but for me I'm gonna add some butter. So what if I just want to add the butter into the fish, or you can just and leave it, or if you want, you just spread the butter all over in the fish. Alright, that will give your fish more flavor, because you know butter make everything better. Alright, now my butter is salted, so that's why I did not add any salt to the fish. Alright, so because I'm just roasting one fish, so I'm gonna need to over season it. Alright, now I'm gonna be using foil paper, but before you use a foil paper, ensure that you have a big enough piece of foil paper, so you want to fold it. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some softened butter to the foil. Alright, this will allow your fish not to stick to the foil, and also when your fish is roasting, all of that nice juice will not leak out. Alright, so if you like, you could place some slits on your fish, but for me, not all the time I do that. Alright, so now I'm gonna stuff my callaloo into the fish. My callaloo is about halfway cooked. You don't want to fully cook your callaloo, alright, because it's gonna be fully cooked while it's roasting. Alright, so add as much callaloo as you like. I love a lot, so may I stuff it really good. So while I add the callaloo, I ensure that I use my fingers to press the callaloo into the fish. Alright, now I also like to add some callaloo on top of the fish, because I love callaloo, so the more I add the better. Alright, but if you're a person like who don't love a lot of callaloo, then just add as much as you like. Alright, now for the recipe, guys, I didn't get to add any okra, I was out, but anyways, my fish look after some roast fish, so I just add them in the have and just make it my own. Alright, so I added some scotch bonnet pepper on top of the fish, because the more scotch bonnet pepper, the nicer the fish and the more spicier it will be. Even though I'm afraid of pepper, guys, I don't like when fish raw, so fish can have a little raw taste, so I want to make sure say it's spicy. Alright, so that's the only spicy food I like. Alright, so make sure you seal your foil very well, and of course, guys, you wanna bake it. Alright, now it's fully baked. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box, so remember to check it out. Now I'm just opening the foil so you can see how it looks inside, but be careful, guys, remember it's from the oven, so say well hot. Alright, so this is my beautiful roasted fish, guys. It smells amazing, and even though I never really add much seasoning, all of that seasoning from the callaloo and the butter and so on make it nice. Alright, so fish has its own flavor, so you don't need to over season it. Okay, guys, so I'm just add it on a plate, and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to Tamara Recipes, share the videos, guys, and tell others about me. Now I'm just add some of that nice juice on top of my crackers, and yeah, the thing shut. Now, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more amazing contents like these. Big up on yourself straight, guys. I have another roasted fish with stuff with callaloo recipe, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so you could always check it out. That one is more detailed where I show you every step, guys, so if you're interested, don't forget to check the description box, and also for all the ingredients. All right.